Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c: and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c: / bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Type attrib c: / boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c: /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.